For sale. This 2017 Kenworth T270 Mechanic Truck with IMT Dominator crane package is a purpose-built service unit ideal for field repairs, heavy equipment maintenance, and mobile support operations. This non-CDL truck was previously owned and maintained by a CAT dealership, and it's been kept in immaculate condition, offering a high-spec configuration with low operating hours and full utility system integration. Powered by a PACCAR PX 76.7-liter diesel engine, producing 300 horsepower and paired with a 6-speed Allison 2500 RDS automatic transmission, this truck delivers the power, durability, and reliability demanded in rugged field environments. It sits on a 26,000-pound GVWR chassis with a 100-inch front axle and 160-inch rear axle supported by air suspension. A 50-gallon aluminum fuel tank and single rear axle configuration ensure long operational range and easier handling without requiring a CDL license. The truck is outfitted with a factory-installed IMT Dominator 7,530 hydraulic crane rated at 52,000 foot-pounds, offering a maximum lifting capacity of 7,500 pounds and a horizontal reach of 30 feet 10 inches. For power and utility support, it's equipped with a Miller EnPak A60HGE all-in-one system, including a Tier 4 Kubota diesel engine, 60 CFM air compressor, 175 PSI, 3,500 PSI hydraulic pump, 8.0 GPM at 3,000 PSI, 6,000 watt generator, 120 to 240 volts, and a 2,400 watt Enverter, 120 volts. Two hydraulic outriggers provide stability during crane operations, while a built-in waste oil recovery system adds environmental compliance and on-site maintenance efficiency. The truck's white exterior and gray interior present clean and professional, with utility body storage built for technicians and field service applications. This is a rare, fully equipped, non-CDL crane truck, ready to work with no excuses.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.